Namaste and welcome to India Retreat. My name is Berdhanya Swami, Tierra, and I will be your teacher in the section of this retreat regarding the meditation breathontology sessions. The title of this retreat is called Internal Cohesiveness, and I want to talk to you a little bit about what is that, so you have an idea of what the early morning program will be about in relation to your panchakarma, Ayurveda, and activities. We have titled this program Internal Cohesiveness, and if we see what is internal, we will be relating to the biology of our body. We will be focusing in each of the system of the body. We have 12 systems, as you may know. We have the reproductive system, the digestion system, the respiratory system, the muscular system, the circulatory system, etc. And each of that is a form of very specific waves, a specific vibration. It's like in an orchestra. You have different instruments, and each instrument have to be fine and tuned in order to join a certain melody, a certain stability, and a certain cohesiveness in your musical magnetic field. So it is based in the principle that we are all resonance, and that resonance have frequencies, have certain levels of vibration that resonate at certain times in certain moments of your life. So saying that, most of us don't live in a cohesive life. We think one way, we have great plans for ourselves, we have great visions, we have a sincere desire to do something better for ourselves, and then we feel different about it. We feel, oh, I cannot do it, or it's too early, or maybe later, and we end up acting completely different of what our highest inspirations want. But this is an external way of seeing cohesiveness. In the internal cohesiveness, we focus on the more molecular vibration of these systems, of the biological systems. And all these tensions that have been accumulated in the system, either given by ancestors, or by your lifestyle, or by your discouragement, or just simply you don't know where you want to go. All those tensions are stored in certain systems. For example, in the digestion system, which is designed for metabolizing things, is the one that breaks things up for you, that it comes from the pleasure of intaking the food, which is later going to be how you feel, how you think. And it goes through all the process of going through the esophagus and the stomach and so on. And in each part, that piece of food have a different information, and it gives different information. So when we have internal cohesiveness, we are happy, we're peaceful, we are relaxed, we have a more connection with our natural self, with the very early stages of innocence. It is based in love, in acceptance, and we put tools that are simple and easy for anybody. We use breathontology practices, meditation, and some movement based in yoga So this will be your early morning practice before you go into massage and the treatments with Dr. Shamna, which she have previously designed and tailored for you. So it's very very individual care that you will receive in this retreat. The cohesiveness take time. That's why we have put the program for 21 days. That is the ideal completion of the program. However, we understand that you may have a lifestyle that don't allow the 21 days. So we are opening an option for 14 days. And if you just want to taste the program, you can even go for 7 days. We'll be in the beautiful coast of Kerala, and my favorite homestay, Seashell, which supply for you the comfort of home with a personalized environment and community that I assure you, you will feel relaxed to let go of all internal stress and deep-rooted fragmentation. I am truly hope that you join me this winter in this program and work on yourself. Just simply give yourself the treasure of depths, the treasure of health, the treasure of vitality, the treasure of being in contact with the body in a way that you have never been before. Thank you again for being with me. Send me a note if you are interested in this program, and I'm looking forward to meet you in India for our first curry dinner. Namaste.